thunderstorm warning for South Central Davidson County in Middle Tennessee, West Central Rutherford County in Middle Tennessee, Northern Maury County in Middle Tennessee, Williamson County in Middle Tennessee, East Central Hickman County in Middle Tennessee, until 4:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 12 miles northwest of Columbia, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and $half-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Franklin, Forest Hills, Nolensville, Spring Hill, Thompson Station, Brentwood, Prim Springs, Antioch, Triumph, Santa Fe, Williamsport, Leapers Fork, Oak Hill, Smyrna, La Vernie, and Columbia. This includes the following highways: Interstate 65 between mile markers 53 and 79. Interstate 24 between mile markers 53 and 65. Interstate 840 between mile markers 12 and 51. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time for Middle Tennessee.